to tell you please take care of yourself. Then with tears stained eyes I sadly said goodbye, as I waved and wished you farewell. Then I think of how much longer I must wait. I look inside myself and feel something new. I wanna stop and grow up again. It's all because I'm feeling sad and then I cry. I don't know why. The courage that I need, the power to succeed, gives me the strength to fly. It's all because of when I see my friends, oh my. Every time they're always behind me, pushing me on, lighting the fire in me. Then suddenly my calm and confidence are swelling up, magically erupts. And it's all because of kindness that I feel from people I don't even know. I won't forget the times we shared and our pleasant days.